Hey friends, welcome to today's DoddBod exercise video. We are going to do a snack exercise series where you do 5 minutes, maybe less, of moderate to intense exercise. Research shows that if you accumulate these exercise or snackercises throughout the day, it has just as many health benefits as going to the gym and working out for 45 minutes. I don't have time to do that. I don't know about you. If you're watching this video, you probably don't have time to do that either. So join me for this snackercise. Let's do it to it. All right, friends. Here's your next snackercise video. I call this laundry basket lifts. Heyo. If you're like me, you always have a basket of laundry that either needs to be done or folded or put away, up the stairs, down the stairs. So what you can do for your real life is use your laundry basket as your weight. So I want to start with doing 12 deadlifts. Have your knees slightly bent, down and up. So easy. 2, 3. I don't know why I have so little laundry in my laundry basket right now. I must have been on top of things yesterday, which means there's more to be washed today. Oh, I lost count. I can't talk and count. Learned that just now. Let's call it 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Obviously, the more laundry that's in your basket, the heavier it'll be, the more of a workout you'll get. Next, we're going to do 12 bicep curls with our laundry basket. I like to really hold that contraction at the top. Bicep is right here, if you don't know that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Next we're gonna do 12 shoulder presses with a overhead press with a squat. So squat down, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, huge booty back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, and then we're gonna do 12 side lunges, 12 to the right, 12 to the left, and that's it. Call it quits for the day. Or do it again, because you know you've got more laundry to do. 1, 2, 3. Alternatively, you could leave this on the ground, grab a piece of clothing, put it in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cool. Now do it to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feeling it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Awesome. Good job showing up for yourself today. I hope you enjoyed this laundry basket lifts. Real life imperfect workout that just gets your body moving. Comment down below if your kids left you alone or how heavy your laundry basket was today. If you haven't already, go ahead, give us a cheesy thumbs up and subscribe so you can get more DoddBod exercise videos and more snack exercise real life videos. Have a magical day.